Real quick guys, before this video starts, I want to go ahead and announce that we're having a new sticker design coming out. It's going to look like this. So here's the overlay over the screen right now. And it's going to be on this Instagram right here. So go ahead and give it a follow and DM if you want that sticker. It's a pretty nice sticker. They're good quality. I've had one on my car. Not the same sticker, but the same print thing. I've had it on my car for a good 6 months now, and it's still on there, still great. Good quality. If you guys want that sticker, it's a pretty sick sticker. Go ahead and follow it at Instagram right there. And I'm going to have another clip right here showing the sticker. Alright guys, I have a few more of these left. I got them in December, and it's now June, so it's been a few months, and it's still lasting on the window. So they're pretty good quality, guys. If you want one, I have a couple left. Just DM the Instagram right here, Asahi Chasers, and you guys can get one. So there's also going to be a new design too that I already showed. So. Alright, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys like that. Scraping my front bumper really hard. But anyways, so today we have basically nothing going on, so it's a perfect day to kind of mess around and try to see if we could do something cool. So anyways, I have this bucket seat right here that I've had for like almost a year now, I guess, that it came out of the black MB. He has two of them and he left them both here, so I have another one also, but we're gonna try to see if we can make this fit in 240, the white 240. And I don't know if it's gonna fit because these came out of a Miata and they have like Miata brackets, so we're gonna see if we can try to get the seat rails from the 240 to go on these brackets. And yeah, so I guess we're gonna start by taking the seats out, or the driver's seat, because we're not gonna put both of them in. We're just gonna see if we can get the driver's seat in. So we're gonna see what we got going on in here. Alright, so we need to get the seatbelt out of the way first, obviously. But I'm gonna go out on a wild guess here and say that 14's holding this in, so I'm gonna go grab a 14 and a wrench, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we got our wrench here, super loud wrench, we're gonna go ahead and start unbolting this. So let me figure out how to move this back. All the way back like that. Oh, hit my head and everything. Alright, let's see. It indeed is a 14. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen these up. They might be a little rusty in there. 1991 seats, you know. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the two fronts and the two backs. And yeah. Uno. Numero 2. Now we gotta go ahead and move this seat all the way up until our knees touch the defrosters. Oh, we're leaning. We're leaning here. Very dirty. Alright, so let's move our handy dandy zip ties out of the way because drift car, and our cardboard and some receipts. Look at that. Some coins and some stuff. Just move all the trash because, you know, daily. And let's try to find these. So I'm guessing they're under these covers here, which I am correct. So remove your plastic covers. We might want to put those back on afterwards. And go ahead and loosen up your bolts here. It's a weird angle. There we go. And I'll loosen those up. And for some reason I feel like I'm not going to be able to get this one over here. It's a long one. Number 3. Number 4 was a nut. So we're going to gather these together. And we're going to go ahead and pull the seat now. Plug. And bada bang, bada boom, you got your seat out. So we got the driver's side seat out here. Very dirty. We have a plug here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the shop vac, and we're gonna vacuum all this stuff out. Let's get our tools and our bolts here. Look at that, there's just a random screw laying there, and some coins and stuff. That's gross. Look at all that. That's real nasty. We're gonna have to vacuum all that up in order to get this thing freaking rip the carpet out, get new carpet after this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this. I went ahead and vacuumed it a little bit. The carpet is really nasty. But after further inspection here, it looks like we're not gonna be able to use these seats because that's really rusty and terrible. But the 240 brackets bolt up on the sides of the seats, and we need them to bolt onto the bottom. So we're gonna need to either get new brackets for those seats, which I'm not gonna do, or make our own brackets, which I'm not gonna do as well, because I'm not trying to spend any money. So it looks like we're not gonna have bucket seats. But what I am gonna do is probably clean that up, vacuum the seat and stuff, put it back in, and then do the same on the other side because it's kind of easy, and just clean the interior up a little bit. Alright, so I just did the same thing that I did on that side on this side, and we can go ahead and pull this seat out now too. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's really dirty in here. So I'm just vacuuming out all this stuff, and I'm probably gonna vacuum out up there on the back tray. You guys can't see it. Vacuum up there on the back tray and clean that window because it's all dusty. And yeah, just clean up the floor mats and stuff. And so yeah. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I vacuumed this side out. And I went ahead and I cleaned the quarter panels down with a wipe to get some of the dust off. And I'm gonna go ahead and Windex the inside of the windows and stuff. And my dashboard's pretty dusty too. No cracks though. Look at that guys, no cracks on the dash. It's pretty dusty though. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that down too. Not with an Armor All rag because I don't want it to crack. I'm just gonna hit it with the paper towel. And I'm gonna Windex the windows and stuff, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the seats back in, guys. For those of you who don't know or who are just tuning into the channel for the first time, there's a pink hatch. This is my brother's car, and the engine is out right now, and everything's out. And he just recently went and got his diff welded. So if we look in there, see if I can focus it. He got his diff welded. So we're gonna go to Pep Boys right now. I have to take him in this. He was just waiting for me because obviously his car is not running right now. This is not focusing anymore. There we go. And so I'm gonna take him to Pep Boys right now so he can get some diff oil to put that in. Here's his engine right here. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess that I made trying to put the seat in. That didn't work. And I'm gonna be going to Pep Boys and we're gonna be filling up that diff and I'm gonna be filming it. So what are we getting? We're getting some limited slip. 7590. 7590. Yeah, for a welded diff. Alright guys, so I told you we got the diff welded for this, so now we're gonna fill it up. Oh, did you drop the bolt in there?
I did. Help me turn it over, yeah? Let me get all these other bolts out and then we can turn it over.
Alright, so we dropped the bolt in already. So we got two, whatever these are, liters, quarts, 2 quarts. It's basically 2 liters, 0.9 liters of diff oil for limited slip, you know, because we got welded diffs. We have no slip whatsoever.
Zero slip.
Zero slip.
We should make diff oil
and
for welded diffs.
Yeah, make diff oil for welded diffs.
Somebody's
and
gonna take that idea now.
We met Offbeat Garage, your girlfriend.
Shout out Offbeat Garage. Your girlfriend worked at the Pep Boys right down the street from my house.
Yeah.
Never knew that. So hit us up, bro. Let's collab, bro.
Yeah, let's collab. Come on, we could do real drift car things.
Real drift. He's the one with the real drift car.
Yeah, we out here. We're out here lookalikes. All right. Anyway, so now we got to turn this over because there's a bolt in it. We basically just put RTV around it and then set it on there, and then we're gonna wait for the RTV to dry up a little bit, and then we're gonna compress it down, and that'll seal it. And so, I mean, that's basically it. Somebody coming behind me. That's basically it for today's video. I know we didn't really do anything. Basically, watch Naruto now. Yeah. Sit inside and watch some anime or some something. That's basically today's video. We tried to put the seat in the car. We ended up just cleaning it out. And we put diff fluid and sealed up the diff for the pink S13. So that's about it for today's video. So
You said that 3 times already.
hey, just shut up, alright? So subscribe for more. And there'll be actually some cool stuff coming up soon. And if you guys like that sticker, be sure to go follow that Instagram and give it a DM if you guys want one. And that's it. So peace.